नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। I JVN Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, FA Department from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Now today's topic is respiratory examination BPT 6 and pediatrics. Respiratory examination. In order to ensure you perform a comprehensive examination of the chest, you need to know surface anatomy of the lung. The following demonstration the border of the lungs and surface marking of the individual lobes. Upper lobe, middle lobe, or lower lobe. The low, the lower border of the lungs extend down to the sixth ribs. The oblique fissure is marked entirely by the point at which the mid-clavicular line cross the sixth rib. The horizontal fissure on the right is marked by the position of fourth costal cartilage. Laterally, the oblique fissure curve upward toward the third thoracic vertebra. The horizontal fissure extends as far as the oblique fissure in the mid-axillary position. The lower border of the lung extends to the eighth ribs in the mid-axillary line. Posterior the oblique fissure reach up to the level of the third thoracic vertebra. The lowermost border of the lung is marked by the 10th or 11th ribs. Respiratory examination. Introduce yourself by the full name and your role within the healthcare team. Check by the identify of the patient. Explain the examination of the patient. Gain informed consent of the examination. Wash your hand using the ELIF technique. Journal inspection. Journal breathlessness, sweating, pain or discomfort, cachexia, color, cyanosis or pallor. Other sign to notice noise, steroid, inspiratory, wheeze, expiratory, harness, whistles, talking. Can't they? Can they talk in full sentence? Hands and vital signs: nails, clubbing, cholinergia, and peripheral cyanosis. Tar, steering finger, tremors, flap due to carbon dioxide retention. Check patient vital signs: pulse, respiratory rate, blood pressure, and temperature. Face and neck, eyes, conjunctive pallor, mouth, cyanosis of tongue, central sign of dehydration, examination of the upper respiratory neck, trachea position seen next side right, regional lymph nodes. Tracheal position to locate the patient trachea, palpate with the fingertips between the sternocleidomastoid muscles at the suprasternal notch. Compare the tracheal position to an imaginary vertical line through the suprasternal notch midline. Any deviation from the midline is considered abnormal. Inspection of the chest wall, anterior, posterior, lateral, shape, deformity, scar, rashes, or local lesion. Breathing pattern, depth, regularity, symmetry, accessory muscles of respiration. Palpation, any local abnormalities seen on inspection. Apex beat may be displaced. See CVS examination study guide. Chest wall tenderness by expansion. Chest expansion can be assessed by placing thumb together and lying outstretched hand across anterior chest wall. On inspiration, the thumb will move apart. Repeat on posterior chest wall. Percussion, ensure you cover all lung lobes. Know your anatomy. Intercostal space, lay finger along intercostal space. When percussing clavicle, tape finger directly on to bone. Compare side by alternating similar area on right and left. Percuss anterior, lateral, and posterior chest. Percussion notes: clavicle, overlying lung, epic, resonant, normal lung tissue, resonant, heart, dull, liver, dull, abnormal solid area, dull, fluid, stony dull, when pneumothorax, hyper resonant. Auscultation, patient breathe with open mouth. Use the bell if patient is hairy or diaphragm of the stethoscope. Compare right and left. Auscultate a large number of sites to ensure all lobe examined. Auscultate anterior, lateral, and posterior chest wall. Listen for breathe sound, vascular or bronchial. Add sound, wheeze, crackle, or pleural rub. Vascular breath sound normal, finding over lung filled, quite low pitches, resulting no gap between the phases of inspiration and expiration. Expiratory phase shorter than inspiratory phase. Bronchial breath sound abnormal, finding it auscultate over lung filled, usually louder, transmitted through airless tissue, similar to sound heard over trachea. Gap between inspiration and expiration. Expiration phase prolonged. Normal auscultation should reveal vascular breath sound and no added sound. Possible added sound are wheeze, strutter, crackles, finer or chorus, pleural rub, which prolonged muscle sound usually in expiration. Localized narrowing within the bronchial tree usually arise from multiple sites during expiratory phase of respiration. A single fixed wheeze in position and time suggests a single fixed narrowing. Stridor is sign of large airway narrowing, obstruct, harsh sound, usually high pitches, occur in both inspiration and expiration but usually more marked in the former. Courage, crackles, fluid or secretion in the large bronchi, bubbling noise can usually be cleared or altered by coughing. Fine crackles, inspiratory, high pitches, explosive, involve forceful popping open of closed small airway, can be mimicked by rubbing hair between finger and thumb over air. Early inspiratory, chronic bronchitis, late inspiratory, left ventricle failure, fibrosis, pneumonia. Pleural rub, inflamed surface rubbing together, cracking noise can be reproduced by rubbing on the dorsum of a cupped hand placed over the ear, usually heard in the both inspiration and expiration. Tactile firmitus on identify an abnormality and excultation or percussion. Place hand over abnormal and equivalent area on the opposite side or a non-normal area, compatible area also abnormal. Ask the person to say 99. Vibration increase over solid tissue, reduce over air and fluid. Vocal resonance on identify an abnormality on auscultation or percussion. Listen with stethoscope over the affected area and ask the person to say 99. Repeat over some area on the opposite side or non-normal area. It comparable area also abnormal. Increase over solid tissue, reduce over air and fluid. System. Most clinician will examine all element on the anterior chest wall, inspection, palpation, percussion, auscultation, and then repeat the examination for the posterior and lateral chest. This avoid the patient moving back and forth multiple times. Possible pathology, consolidation, may be reduced movement of affected site, tracheal central, finding over affected area, percussion notes, dull, auscultation, bronchial breathing, vocal resonance over area increase, tactile firmitis over area increase. Pleural effusion, chest movement may be reduced on affected side in fluid जो भरा होता है. Trachea deviated away from affected side if large, finding over the affected area, percussion note, dull, auscultation reduced, breath sound, vocal resonance reduce, tactile firmitis reduce. Pneumothorax यानी एयर जो होती है. Chest movement may be reduced on affected side, trachea may be deviated, finding over affected area, percussion notes hyper resonant, auscultation reduce, breath is out, vocal resonance reduce, tactile firmitis reduce. Anatomical landmark test, suprasternal notch, clavicle, sternocleidomanubrial joint, any angle of Lewis, second intercostal space, mid clavicular line, cardiac apex, anterior axillary line, mid axillary line, posterior axillary line, if Zific sternum. Thank you.